Hey guys, welcome back to Ruby's Simple Experiments. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make candy scented slime. So let's get started. Thank you for getting me to hit 50 subscribers. That is great. I hope I can hit 100 subs by the end of 2021. For this experiment, you will need 50 milliliters of white PVA glue, some yellow paint, some candy scent, some slime activator, which is either a contact lens solution and baking soda or borax water, a spoon or just something to mix it with, and like a bowl or something like that to mix it in.
Add 50 milliliters of PVA glue into your bowl or whatever you're mixing your slime in. Now add in a little bit of yellow paint. After you have put your yellow paint into your glue, mix it until it is fully mixed in. Once you have thoroughly mixed your yellow paint into your glue, this is what it should look like. Next, add in a little bit of your candy scent and mix it in till your slime smells like candy. Pour in 5 milliliters of your activator a little bit at a time until your slime has formed.
Starting to come together now. Probably need more activator. It's looking pretty good. Need it for a bit longer though to get it to a less sticky consistency. I really like making a slime because I love the colour yellow and scented slime